Greetings, everyone. I'm Anna Fisher, along with Mitchell Kolaz. We are Quickdraw Sanitizer McGraw next. Our challenge, healthcare providers, we are held to the absolute highest sanitation standards. However, the accessibility to PPE, the sanitizer and more, it is extremely difficult and inconvenient. This challenge potentially impacts the more than 15,000 long-term care communities in the United States. Now, keep in mind, materials, supplies such as that sanitizer, we in long-term care are not permitted to keep that in our pockets, cross-contamination, or cannot be kept out in open areas and facilities such as mental health and assisted living with memory support. They must be under lock and key. Why do you ask? They might drink it. Next. Between each room, it's critical for healthcare professionals to obtain our supplies and comply with strict infection control standards. The bidirectional arrows that you see right there represent really my pathway. Every step to obtain a supply, in this case, hand sanitizer, is a time away from my most precious residents, and serving the most vulnerable populations. Every moment literally counts. Next. With over the 1 million healthcare staff who are providing care for the 1.4 million nursing home residents, and this is nationwide, imagine the inefficiency of time and wasted steps every day. Time is money. Wouldn't you want a solution? Well, guess what, everyone? We have that for you. And Mitchell will describe further. Mitchell, take it away.
Thank you. Up next. So thank you, Anna. As she said, our product was developed from the ground up by end user feedback, and resulted was, as you can see here, a modular belt system that can hold the items that nurses need safely and comfortably. Along with it being easy to clean between rooms and made to clinical staff needs and developed by end user feedback, it's unlike any other very slim current solutions. Next. And with that, we've done testing in places, for one example, the VA in Cincinnati, in units such as assisted living, skilled nursing, hospice, and post-acute rehab. And as you can see here is some of the end user testimonials, and the overall response to it has been great. Next. And that leads to our timeline. We want to start by doing an initial run of 500 units produced by 3D printing to reduce initial costs. So it costs about $27 per unit with the belt included. Selling them for $40 per unit, it generates about $6,000 initially. Long term, we want to switch to injection molding to drastically reduce the costs. And we want to have a goal of 1 belt per person in a medical institution. And with over 1 million people in these institutions that need our product, we think that's a great way to go. We'll go next. With that said, that leads to our ask. We're looking for a partner that can help us bring it to market, as well as with the FDA approval process. Because of this, we'd like to license the product, as we feel it would help us get to market as quick as possible. And to need forward, we need a partner that has access and expertise in manufacturing and distribution. Some benefits with investing/licensing with us be, you not only obtain one product, but an entire product line that can be expanded to fit as needs arise, and also can be expanded to other industries as they pop up and they are applied to. With all that said, I'd just like to thank you for listening, and we hope to talk to you in the Zoom meeting after all. And I've been wearing it the entire time during this presentation.